Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two CRM tools platform, which is Zendesk and Instantly. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Zendesk is a powerful house CRM built for customer support and sales teams that need automation, ticketing, and AI-driven insight. It's great for managing complex workflow and scaling support operations smoothly. However, it can be pricey for small teams and setup takes time if you are not tech savvy. On the other hand, Instantly focused on lead generation and cold email automation. It's fast, simple, and ideal for small teams who want quick results without the bulk of enterprise tools, but it's like deep CRM functions and integration. So overall, Zendesk went for all-round business management, while Instantly is perfect for lean outreach focused teams. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.